Welcome to the kitchen again, guys. Welcome to Unlock the Village. So today, guess what we are going to cook, guys? Yeah, this is the cassava, guys. For someone who doesn't know what I have, this is the cassava, dry one. Those are the dry cassava, guys. So I'm here in the kitchen. I'm sure you are now familiar with this kitchen, guys. And I know you missed this kitchen. So today I'm going to show you guys how we cook here. Dry beans. Those are the dry beans. Those are the dry beans, guys. You can see they are even hard to cut them. Then we are on our outer door kitchen again. I know you guys, you missed this kitchen and you are already familiar with this kitchen. If you are new here, means this is new to you. I'm Unlock the Village. I do village life contents, as you can see. So on today's video, we are going to explore. Here we explore, here we learn the village culture, everything from the village. You are on the light track, you are on the light YouTube that will show you a lot from the village. Oh guys, so let's go. So those are the one we harvested and we make them dry. We put them on the sun. Now they are dry. So what we do, we first put them in the water and we make them stay the whole night. You can see this one, they are not that hard. Those are the ones that have already stayed all the night in the water. That's why they are soft. They are not that dry like this one. You can see. That's why they are very soft. So those are the one we are going to cook with the beans. So what we do, we first cook the beans first of all, guys. You will see how we cook them. We just cook the beans. Then after cooking the beans, then we will put our cassava. Yummy food, guys. Don't go far because we will be eating them together. So here is our dry beans, the one we harvested, guys. So we need to first wash them. So we first need to wash the beans. We wash our beans. Wash your beans well, guys, so that all the messy will go away. This is the second water, so that's why I started putting it in our saucepan. So this is the saucepan we use on the firewoods. You can see at the back it have lots of smoke. That's why it's black, guys. Then start adding water because beans take time. So guys, we light up the fire and we have put our saucepan that contains the dry beans. But you guys, it starts raining and you know our kitchen is out, although you can see it not covered. You guys you guys see what happened. See, it starts raining and our kitchen is not covered. You can see, guys, but our fire still on, so you can see, guys. Play for us so that the fire will not be off, guys. Play for us so that our food will be ready. I was trying to cover it so that the rain will not be entering in our food. And the fire, because it's still on, we will just wait and play so that it's will be ready and the rain maybe will be off. It's not that much, you can see, it's not that lot. But you guys see, finally our fire goes off. You can see because the lane had become big. So guys, after 30 minutes after the lane set off, we light up the fire again. You can see the place has tried become also dry, even the sun have set again. So we tried to light up the fire again because our beans was not ready, so that we can keep cooking our meal. Remember, we are cooking the beans mixed with the dry cassava, guys. So the lane has stressed us, but now we can continue. So guys, you can see our dry beans have turned into the other color. It means it's almost to be ready. Remember guys, we are cooking the dry beans and the dry cassava. So we have cooked before the dry beans because it's the one that take time to be ready. Our cassava, it's like now they are fresh because we have put them the whole night, remember, in the water, so that they can be like fresh one. You can see they are not hard. So now it's time to add them to our beans. We don't add them when the beans are already ready. No, when the beans are almost to be ready, that's when you can add the cassava. You remember guys, the fresh things don't take time to be ready like the dry one. That's why we first cook the dry beans and our cassava, because this time we are taking it like they are fresh one. So we will just add it to our beans. So I'm washing them, removing them in the water. They have stayed the whole night so that they can be smooth, or they can lose those dry things, so that they can look like they are fresh. Apology my English guys. So now after washing them, you will start adding them to your beans. You can cut it into some pieces if you want, or you can cut it. They will be ready guys. That's what I'm doing now. Your cassava, you just need to add the water, or add the water. You guys remember, even the beans are not that yet ready. That's why we're adding our dry cassava. So we added the cassava, so it means we need to add the water. I was eating the cassava guys. Yes, you can eat it even though it's not cooked, because the dry one you can eat it, even the fresh one. Then you add salt. You just add salt to our meal guys, not that lot. You just add salt only and keep blowing up the fire. Cover your food so that the messy things will not come in. This food is yummy guys. This food is yummy. I can't wait. I like it. I like it. So guys, meantime waiting on our food to be ready, I'm toasting the maize. I like the toasted maize guys. So this is how also we toast our maize. This is from our field guys too. This is the one that we have grown. So I wanted to eat some, and this is how we toast it for firewood. So guys, you can see it's already ready and yummy. You guys welcome here. You see I have a lot. Welcome guys, welcome guys. Here in the village the life is amazing. It's amazing guys. We eat fresh things only, guys, from your field. We don't buy everything. Doesn't mean that we don't buy things, but we don't buy everything. You guys, your place, you buy even maize, but here we don't buy maize. So guys, let's wait on our food to be ready. we keep just waiting and checking on our food. You can see even the cassava have already changed the color, so means also they are almost be ready, guys. This food is yummy. You guys don't go far because we are eating in few minutes and our fire is blowing and our maize our maize still here, so it's accompanying us to the food, to our food to be ready, guys. You don't go far, guys. Guys, our food are ready. You can see the cassava. The food is ready, guys. You can see how the cassava is. So I'm going to test it, guys, and I will let you know how the food is. You don't need to put any oil in this food. You don't need to add oil in this food, guys. It's yummy when you eat it like this. So let me test it. Guys. You can see the cassava are already ready. I can't wait, guys. Let me just take this and test it. So this is how we cook it, guys. You try it at home and you will let me know. Guys, we are going to test our food. Me, I like avocado, guys. That's why I'm going to add avocado. But they taste very good when you add avocado though. So guys, it's that time we waited. Oh guys, so welcome to the to the table, guys. We are going to eat. So I wanted to add just avocado. You see, guys, how the food look even amazing. See how it look amazing, guys. Imagine there's no oil, there's no ingredient added, guys. So we wanted to test, and the baby was about me, I want to eat also. So I was eating with my baby, guys, and we enjoyed the food. It's very yummy, guys. You can see we're very happy. The food tastes yummy. So if you guys want to try it at home, you remember all the process, or you can even watch the video from start to the end so that you will know what we did. So guys, that was all for today's video. Please kindly, if you like the video, please let your comment, let me know what you think about the video. What have you learned, guys? What have you enjoyed in the video? And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Unlock the Village so that you will not be missing amazing video from our village. Bye, see you on the next one, guys. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.